Hey guys, I'm actually doing this video for a wig sister who asked a few questions about how the main attraction line fits me. We have very similar head measurements, she said, and she finds that her Hollywood is huge on her and she really can't wear her comfortably because she's so big. So I thought I'd do a quick video and just give my impressions of how these Hollywood and Broadway fit me in comparison to each other, as well as how they just fit me in general, given my head size. And I will put the measurements in the description box because I don't remember them off the top of my head. I know that I am a 22-inch circumference around my head. That's the one I can remember, and that is average. But my measurements from here to here and here to here are child to petite size, very, very small. So let's just get right into this. Kathy, this one's for you, but hopefully this will help a lot of other wig sisters. So right now I have on Hollywood by Main Attraction. This is in the color Latte, and I do have a review on Hollywood. You can check that out in my reviews. I have a playlist for Main Attraction, so it should make that easy for you to find. And Hollywood is rather big on me. I mean, she definitely fits me big. I have a lot of room in the cap. When I wear my wigs, I always adhere them. Generally with it stays, but sometimes with tape. If it's gonna be a hot day and I know I'm gonna be getting sweaty, I'll just use tape. I also have videos on using both tape and it stays. But because I do that, actually having it stays on the counter, because I do that, if a cap is a little bit too big for me, it's really not an issue because I adhere it in the front and then it doesn't go anywhere. But I don't have this one adhered with anything right now. And you know, if I'm putting her on and I'm messing with her, she comes right off. You saw that because she is quite big on me. I believe that Hollywood fits me bigger than Broadway. You know, Hollywood has a lace front and Broadway is a basic cap. And I actually just ran to the store with my daughter wearing this Broadway right here. And I had a wig grip on, which I'll show that to you guys as well. And she was very, very secure. She didn't go anywhere. But I could run to the store. Sometimes the curls get a little wonky when I take her off and put her back on. I'm not gonna try to make her look beautiful for you guys. She is beautiful, and I have a video on her. I could run to the store with her just like she is, with no attachment, and she would be okay. She fits me pretty well. I have some room, but not nearly the room. And because she's a basic cap, she just overall fits a little more snug on my head. Whereas this lace front on Hollywood is so generous, it actually slips a lot more. You see that big thick lace front right there, or you know, wide, deep, I guess is how maybe I should call it. It makes it slide around a lot more. So I would never wear Hollywood out without adhering her somehow. What I did when I ran to the store with my daughter was I just put on this velvet wig grip, and that held her awesome. Really, really secure. I mean, this wig grip is really good. See, look at that. I can't even really pull it on my own head. It's really nice. I just bought this one from a wig sister who is selling it. And I can link that in the description as well because I can't remember what it's called, but I like this wig grip a lot. And I'm not a fan of wig grips, but I do use them for my headband wigs when I go to the gym, or just if I'm gonna wear a headband wig. So with this wig grip, Broadway fits me so snug. And I mean, I'm tugging. I'm really tugging. She's not going anywhere. This held really, really well. So in that case, I would say I wouldn't need it stays. But with Hollywood, I haven't tried it yet. So I'm just gonna try it for you guys here in the video to see. Right off the bat, one of the things I know is that I don't like that you can see the wig grip because of this lace front and because it's so deep. You know, I would really struggle with that. I would need to wear one of my clear one, which I'll show you guys. But let's just see. Yeah, I mean, she fits me better. For a quick errand, I think she'd be okay. Yeah, she's not, I mean, she's not, doesn't feel as snug as Broadway did, but I definitely can feel the difference, and I wouldn't worry about her sliding off of me, just, you know, without quite a bit of effort. So in that case, I think I would feel pretty good. I have this one right here. It's a silicone wig grip. It's called the Wig Fix, and this one is really great. I have a video on this as well. I find this one pulls my hair if I'm not careful on how I put her on. Once it's on, it doesn't pull my hair, but getting it on, sometimes I can pull my hair doing that. So this one's really great as far as the security of it. It really stays put. So let's see if you can see it through this lace front. That's always been my challenge. Aside from just not liking the extra bulk that wig grips give me, is that when you can see them through a lace or a monofilament or something. Yeah, you can see this one. Not as well, but it's because if I could get it to be flush with the lace, you wouldn't be able to see it, but I can't. Not easily. I'm looking in the mirror behind my phone here. All right, well, I mean, it's definitely holding it. I just don't know how you get around that issue of being able to see it through this deep lace front. Some other people may have some better suggestions. I'm really not a wig grip guru. It's definitely fitting a lot tighter though. So, you know, I'm always gonna have the extra cap space because my head is so small, and that's just on every wig. But, I mean, she feels secure. You know, I'm not gonna go around tugging on it. It's just not lined up great. Yeah, I don't know. My impression is if you're used to wearing a wig grip, it may be just fine for you. But if you are, you know, like me, you don't really like wig grips, I would recommend trying It Stays or tape, because those work really great for me. Boy, I've got a beautiful look going on, don't I? And I'm gonna put this out on YouTube in the public. I have no makeup on, but I promised Kathy I would do that this weekend, and it's Sunday night. I'm not gonna put a full face of makeup on just to film this, so you get to see me with no makeup, which is not common. Yeah, I just don't like the tightness that wearing wig grips give my wigs. I just like to have them feeling a little looser on my head. They feel lighter, and quite frankly, I have gotten used to using It Stays. So I don't mind the way that these fit me. I definitely think the Broadway fits me better than the Hollywood. Hollywood's much bigger on me. So take that for what you will. I would recommend, if you want to continue to wear your Hollywood, if you really like it, then I would try using a different way of adhering it, the tape or the It Stays in the front. That's going to give you the security that you need, that it's not going to move around. I wouldn't consider these to fit me bigger than any of my other wigs. I mean, Aesthetica fits me fairly roomy. These don't fit me any more roomy than Aesthetica. So I hope this was helpful. I don't know if that's what you were looking for, but I will just tell you that for anyone looking for help with adhering their wigs or what products to use, if you're at all concerned about the fit and if a cap is a little big for you, I would really strongly recommend looking into some kind of tape or like the It Stays adhesive, which is great and comes off just with water. to give you that security so that it won't slide around. Once I have it adhered in the front, it's not going anywhere. So, you know, it's not going to be slipping around. The back may ride up slightly, but when you've got long enough hair, that's a comfort thing. It's not an aesthetic thing. Nobody can ever see that. So anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for asking the question, Kathy. And I always try to, you know, give some help if I can. So don't ever hesitate to reach out with questions. Have a good one, you guys.